Hello. We have already seen how to run Python codes in Termux. But Termux lacks GUI graphical user interface, which is necessary in so many Kivy framework-based Python codes. Kivy is a Python framework which gives Python code a body like designs, layout, buttons, labels and much as you keep thinking. Kivy is a cross-platform which makes it run on Windows, macOS, Linux. Now here we opened Pydroid3, in which we will run our codes today. Pydroid3 is basically a Python IDE which usually runs Python codes and gives GUI too. You will get this app on Play Store. When you install it, it will automatically install all necessary libraries, dependencies like Python, Kivy, and many more. And if you need a specific module or library to work with, you can go on here in left menu section. Here you'll see plenty of options like terminal, pip, interpreter and settings. We will enter in terminal. Here you can install necessary libraries by simple commands like run pip install Python. We will see whether Python and Kivy are pre-installed or not. For that, run pip show Kivy, look it's showing the version of Kivy installed, same with run Python version. And here we can see Python version. Now we will go in interpreter. Interpreter is basically a Python code runner which show outputs. For example, we will write a simple code here. Print, welcome, then hit enter, and here we can see the output welcome. Now here you are seeing a pip option. Let's enter in that. We have some options here like install, libraries, quick install. What pip does is, you can't install some Python libraries directly from source like in terminal. So pip help us to install such libraries which uses pre-built libraries. Here in install section, type the library name you want to install like Kivy, click on install button and here we got output requirements already satisfied. I have already installed Kivy. Now let's head towards our main work. Here we open code editor. Here we have option on top bar like a files button. Click on that, then click on open, click on internal storage and now choose particular Python file you want to run, like for example I will choose a file here game.py. Now at bottom a yellow button to run the code, click on that. And here we can see the GUI opened and my script is running. Now let's go to menu option again. Click on graphics program output. Here you can see the logs of your running codes. Now let's delete this. And we'll write a simple Python code. Sample equals subscribe me. Print, sample. Now let's run a simple math Python code. X equals 5. Y equals 10. Sum equals X plus Y. Print, sum. These are just simple Python code. Now we will write code using Kivy framework. Let's do it. Kivy.app import app. Kivy.uix.button import button. Kivy.uix.label import label. Class sample, app. Definite build, self. Sample equals button, text equals subscribe me. Sample.bind, on_press equals self.on_button_press. Return sample. Def on_button_press, self, instance. Instance. Text equals subscribed. If __name _main__. Sample.run. Let's run it. And see we have got the button layout saying subscribe me. Let's tap on it. Now it's changed to subscribed.